Okay, traders, I think this video was supposed to be out like a month ago or something like that, because these are index. These are, I'm going to be talking about all the indexes today on cryptocurrency market. All these indexes are traded at FTX exchange, the industry standard exchange, and well, I think the best exchange for traders who are actually looking for intraday trading or maybe swing trading as well. And if they are really inclined towards looking at the PNL in US dollar terms, FTX is the place for you. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and sign up for FTX through the link in the description down below, as that is a referral link. And if you trade out of that referral link, it is certainly going to be reducing your fees as well. So guys, these index are one of the most important things in the market. So let's talk about DeFi perpetual contracts, for example. Let's jump into the 3-day time frame. And well, as all of you know how the DeFi markets are trending, DeFi markets are currently in a trending motion. This is certainly doing nice. And guys, the last video I made about DeFi perpetual contract as a whole was somewhere around here, and I was really bearish that the entire market was simply turning its gear towards the downside. But we did simply reject these moving averages on 12-hour time frames as well, and we did simply start turning to the upside. So guys, you got to flow like water sometimes, and you got to accept that you were wrong and move the fuck on. This is what I also did with this one right here, and I simply accept that this was not well, I think it could take a little more time for this formulation to happen, and it is still possible that we are dealing with some kind of a head and shoulder situation right here on the entire DeFi perpetual contracts, as we have formulated complex left shoulder, so we could be formulating complex right shoulders as well. But the ultimate picture for this looks to me like a distribution, guys. Until we are not taking this high right here at $12,000, this looks to me like a distributor situation. This is pure distribution. And if I invert the chart right here, yeah, you can see how this inverse head and shoulder is kind of under formulation. And if Bitcoin is losing the 50k levels on macro scales again, and probably getting into a contraction phase again, and we start selling off again in the market in general, I think the DeFi perpetual contract is certainly going to trend down, and I think the DeFi coins are also going to trend down, right? So this is what you got to keep an eye on, and in the macro time frame as well. Now guys, the 3-day time frame is certainly bullish, don't get me wrong. This is nothing confirmed. It is just on the short time frames where I can actually see the distribution happening across the market. But guys, a distribution pattern can simply turn back into a reaccumulation, and we can further explore to the upside, guys. This is, you got to flow like water. If you see invalidations in your own thesis, you got to accept the fact and you got to move on, right? So DeFi perpetual contracts right here, I think as far as you're holding 21 simple on 3-day time frame, the DeFi market as a whole is going to simply go towards the upside. Now here comes SHIT-PERP. Now SHIT-PERP is a pretty funny name, and I think FTX is one of the best exchange in well, innovating things in terms of names and in terms of, guys, FTX is the first exchange to get equities into cryptocurrency market, guys. This is insane. They are the innovators. They are the top innovators. They are bridging the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency market, to be honest with you. It's not Binance, guys. Binance is full of Binance is full of traders who are well, most of the exchanges are trading against the traders in Binance. So, well, if you are a serious trader, if you're committed towards trading in long-term perspective, I think FTX as a whole is certainly going to help you out, guys. It did help me out. I've been using FTX for the past 2 years, and it has been my go-to. I cannot think about trading in any other exchange than FTX, guys. This is just how it is. They are just plain blank, very. They're amazing. They're amazing. Simple as that. Anyway, the shitcoin perpetual contract certainly looking okay as of now, but with this massive rejection from this lows, you can simply argue about the fact that any move to the upside could be yet another distribution, and this is formulating a better form of head and shoulder right here if you do reject from this point. Now if you take this if you take this level down right here, the highs which are formulated at 4800, the shitcoin perpetual index, then you are going to be on that back into the trend. Then you're going to be back into the game, and you're going to be, well, the shitcoins is certainly going to do really nice in the market. I don't know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if this one breaks out, shitcoins are going to have a party. Most likely the trend is going to continue, and you can argue about like this under formulation for this area, right? I mean, yes, every single time it looks like that. Every single time you do try to formulate a head and shoulder right here, you eventually reject, you eventually create bear traps and head on. But guys, what is different this time is Bitcoin is kind of trying to formulate a midterm top, guys. To be honest with you guys, I mean, uh, you can certainly talk about 75k as your target in the coming months, but for that to happen, there are certain momentum oscillators and there are certain key areas of interest which have to be taken down, guys. It is 55k, it is 58k as well. If you are not taking down 58k, then don't even think about Bitcoin head to 75k, and don't even think about most of the altcoins going into trending motion like immediately, guys. The market is going to consolidate, so are you. So stop trading, I guess. Stop trading in the short time frame. Think about accumulating more and more, as the market is certainly going to be consolidating. So guys, shitcoin perpetual index, watch for this one, as this is the basket of highly liquid shitcoins. And if you are taking down this level, then most of those highly liquid shitcoins are also going to dump down. Altcoin perpetual index, kind of same pattern under formulation, a little different, although getting a little aggressive in terms of buying, coming in at the 21 simple on daily time frame as well. The Uniswap perpetual started to look a little weak. Now guys, altcoin perpetual is looking stronger as compared to Uniswap. Guys, most likely the DeFi trending behavior could come into little halt. It seems like as the traditional altcoins, they start picking up in the market. It's just, I can simply flip the charts around and I can be confirmed of that fact that Uniswap index certainly looking weaker than the altcoin perpetual index in terms of structure formulation right here. This is looking certainly nice. Anyway, exchange perpetual contracts was a simple retest of the 21 simple on daily time frame, and exchange tokens are doing amazing, guys. Most of this move to the upside on exchange tokens perpetual contract was because of BNB, guys, because of BNB mooning. Now this is a basket of BNB, FTT, HT, and BTMX, and well, KCX, KuCoin, coin, whatever it is. So it's a basket of exchange tokens, and this is yet another trend defining direction, guys. Why the fuck is there a BNB mooning? Because, well, the exchange perpetual contract is doing good, and vice versa. They are just interconnected. The privacy perpetual contracts right here, well, it looks to me like altcoin perpetual contracts, certainly weaker than that. Could be compared to uni perpetual, but this could be reaccumulation for the privacy coins right here. And if this level holds for the coming days and the weeks on the 21 simple moving average, then certainly all the privacy coins are certainly going to trend to the upside, guys. This is yet another cheat sheet for you guys. These indexes, guys, are you sick of trading single shitcoins? Like, are you really sick and tired of losing all of that money trading your shitcoins, getting chopped out to the upside and the downside both together? Stop trading them. Stop trading your fucking shitcoins. If you are really sick of them, get into these indexes. Trade the indices, guys. I mean, if you are really not able to make money trading altcoins as like single piece of altcoin, go for indices, guys. Go for indices. It's gonna certainly help you as a trader in the long run, guys. We are focusing on building ourselves in the long run. We are not committed towards the short term mindset, guys. This is, if you're committed towards the short term mindset, I don't think this channel is for you. And I think if you are actually engaging in this content right here in this channel, you are pretty well aware of that fact that this channel is more of a mental and a psychological development rather than just simply going on for moon targets. Of course, we love to talk about moon targets. Of course, who the fuck does not want Zilliqa to go to $100, right? But being level-headed is the key, guys. Being level-headed, because in the long run, there are going to be hundreds of opportunities, guys. You have to build yourself as traders to identify those opportunities. Anyways, the DRGN-PERP, it consists of NEO as the main shitcoin and basically all the Chinese cryptocurrencies right here. I'm not sure about what is the basket consisting of for the DRGN-PERP, but do check out this index as well if you want to be looking at some trends in NEO and other Chinese cryptocurrencies. This is one of the key indicators, and ever since this breakout right here, this cup and handle kind of formulation, certainly the trend is to the upside, and the daily 21 looking not good. I think this can be compared with altcoin perp. No, Uniswap perp. Yeah, so Uniswap and DRGN, guys, this is very identical. So I think okay, it is not what I think, it is what the market thinks, that the DRGN perp and the Uni-PERP will move together. It's pretty identical, this price action right here. It's just simply heading together to the upside. So watch for the correlation between all the DeFi coins and Chinese altcoins. To be honest with you guys, this is what the charts are telling me. I'm not deciding that Chinese coins are gonna move with the uni coins. No, unicoins, Uniswap coins. It's just what the story is being narrated in the indices, guys. That's why if you're really sick and tired of trading altcoins, just try trading this for the long run. It's really gonna help you out. It's really gonna help you out. Trust me on that one. Trust me on that one. I say this with utmost conviction, guys, because I have been that same road. It's pretty impossible to actually focus on every single shitcoin and make gains out of every single shitcoin. It's very difficult, guys. You got to understand. Just accept that fact and build yourself as a trader, because these indices are certainly going to help you out in the long run, guys. I think that's been enough. That's been a long form of ramble for all the indices. And if you're really interested in trading these indices, head on to FTX, guys. Sign up using the link down below. I think it's going to help you out if you are trying to do good in trading, I guess, guys. Right? I think that's been enough about this video. I'm going to catch you guys pretty soon on the next one. Bye for now.